So I'd like to show you how to access the online textbook and the website. So type in www.classzone.com, and to find the textbook that we are using, the easiest way to do so is to click on Washington and then High School Science and go. You will have 4 choices of textbooks. We are using Biology 2008, and this is the home page for this textbook. We have lots of different choices. There are animations that you can look at, little videos and things like that, interactive review, games that will help you practice vocabulary, different activities, web quests, data analysis, and there's also audio downloads. There are labs you can do, practice quizzes, and other links on information to do with Biology 11. So what I would like to show you in this video is how to access the online textbook. This will save you having to carry your textbook back and forth from home to school. So we need to click on the copyright notice, and then what we are going to do is set up a student account. I'll click on Create Student Account, and the activation code for your textbook is SMP19715-077. Continue. They would also like your birthday. And a little bit about yourself. First name, I'm just going to make a fake account here to show you how to do this. So my first name will be Moody, and my last name will be Student. Create a username that is unique that you will remember. So how about Moody Student, and a password. Again, something that you will be able to remember. In case you lose your password, they ask you to pick a security question. So let's pick favorite sports team. And I will choose the Canucks. Couple clicks and create account. Okay, so this might happen where it says that the username is already in use. So let's pick a different username. How about Biology 11 Student. Create account. All right, my registration is complete. This will take us back to classzone.com. Back to ClassZone. The textbook will show up, the one that we want. If you log on again using the same computer, it should remember. And you can see up at the top that we are signed in as Biology 11 student. And so let's look at the online book. All right. So if we look in the contents, it has each chapter, and specifically you can go into each section of the chapter depending on which area we are studying. And so it looks exactly like the textbook does. You have your main ideas, your vocab. You also have a very neat feature of being able to listen.
Scientific thinking and processes. Key concept. Science is a way of thinking, questioning, and gathering evidence. Main ideas. Like all science,
So we can also use some other tools. We can highlight text. This will help when we're studying later on. We can also make notes or search for information. And it's also useful to use the glossary. So we can look up our vocabulary words, or we can look up words that we're not sure what they mean. And it's alphabetical. You can scroll down the side or use the letters at the top. There are also workbook pages. So for each chapter and section, there are study guides. So these will help you fill in information to while you're reading and help you to make sure that you're understanding the information. So that is the ClassZone.com website. I hope that you use this website often. And also, don't forget to check out the audio downloads.